All right, so I figured out the best way to take this out of the box is not to try to lift it and just cut the box open. And then I don't mess up the, I don't know, plastic flooring here. So taking a look at it right in the box, we're gonna look, see if we see anything wrong with it, but it looks perfect. So far, I haven't seen anything like damage or wise or anything. So let's see here, other side. So I see a side plate open and I see electronics, like wires. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. It's got this, the top of it right here. It's got this cool kind of carbon fiber plastic. And that's super dope. Again, in these, the front tubes or whatever, these shocks up here, they feel super thick. And they must be, maybe they're hydraulic. I don't know. They don't look like the typical, like, dirty 50cc front shocks you get. All right. So, okay, so we're unboxing this Quietease RiderX electric dirt bike. And just kind of like the way they packed it was super smart. And like, I think they're doing it right. Whatever anybody else is doing, I don't know. But this was all zip tied in here in one piece, and they had the, I found when I cut it loose, this styrofoam thing came out, and this is, some high-end stuff here, and it looks like it prevented scratching and marring and all kinds of stuff in the shipment process, so it did its job. So A+ for packing. This thing is in great shape. I'm not disappointed at all. So far, not even one scratch on this thing. And she is pretty. All right, let me get some of this plastic off and I will be back.